the question is asking for what reason the Arab nations or the Arab countries are showing so much enmity towards the Jama'ah. In such conditions, how can we convey the message of Ahmadiyyat to the Arab residing in the Arab countries?
The first answer is that Allah has granted us MTA, and through the agency of MTA we are reaching out to all the Arab world. And although they do not permit us to preach there directly, but they cannot frustrate the message of God. So it is Tabligh Ahmadiyyat is raining upon them like showers from the heaven. And there's hardly a week when I do not receive a letter from even Saudi Arabia and many other Arab countries that we accept Ahmadiyyat, but we have not the courage to openly do so. But in the heart they have started sending salams on Hazrat Muslim alayhi salam. And we have seen the fulfillment of the prophecy of Hazrat Muslim alayhi salam, that many will send or are sending salams upon me, but they do not relieve their personalities, reveal their personalities, their names and identities. So with the grace of Allah, the measures are taken not by us but by Allah to preach Ahmadiyyat to the Arab world. Again, Hazrat Muslim alayhi salam was told in Ilham, Yaduna laka abdalu min sham. Yes,
يصلون عليك صلحاء العرب وعبد الشام.
Yes, يصلون عليك.
يصلون عليك. एक यदुना भी है कहीं. यदुना भी है. Both. صلحاء
العرب وعبد الشام.
صلحاء العرب وعبد الشام. So most certainly there are صلحاء among the Arabs and Abdal among the Syrians. There is no doubt about it. So inshallah the message is spread ultimately